In this article we will walk you through latest Theta organization, Theta esteem expectation for 2022-2025 to say the least, we generally take care of you. We will cover everything from how Theta especially isn't exactly equivalent to various money-related principles in taking care of the a lot larger piece of the very nearby blockchain difficulties to the Theta organization cost projections for the next 10 years up to the exceptionally current day. However, before bouncing into the Theta cost measure and inspecting numbers that could especially get you depleted for not a conspicuous clarification in any way, shape or form, let us basically examine the arrangement of encounters and a central diagram of Theta organization watching out and the status quo helping the blockchain with keeping an eye on its troubles. We will endeavor to answer these intermittently explained a few major problems. Generally, is Theta organization, Theta, a shrewd hypothesis? How much will Theta organization most certainly be in every way that really matters, worth in 2025, or how, all things considered, much will Theta organization in a real sense be genuinely worth in 10 years, which essentially is genuinely critical. Theta organization right currently especially stays at $1.26 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $1,260,707,054, making it rank 40 in the main coins list in a significant way. Theta for the most part has a 24-hour volume of $35,650,721, according to TechNews Leader Value List, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The worth of Theta organization truly has changed 0.15% in the beyond 24 hours. In latest 7 days, the expense of Theta for the most part has a distinction in 7.82% in an unobtrusive manner. It truly is limited to a most really outrageous stock of 1 billion coins, or so they thought. Theta organization value expectation 2022. Apparently by 2022 Theta organization, Theta, costs will have basically shown up at a level like they're essentially past all-time high. By 2022. We could expect a run-of-the-mill cost of $1.55. On account of everything does effortlessly, we expected the most genuinely outrageous expense of Theta organization could rely upon $1.74 in 2022, or so they certainly thought. Clearly, there are chances that the market will sort of dump after a long bull for the most part run, and it by and large is normal for computerized currency market in a quite enormous manner. Theta organization value expectation 2023. Theta organization especially present incentive generally or each could interest various dealers, and thusly, Theta can basically reach $2.62 by 2023. With critical cooperation with financial establishments, if the going with necessities are satisfied. With a normal expense of $2.34 for 2023. It can generally beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs, which generally is genuinely huge. The worth trademark can move as the crypto market can in a real sense. See one certainly more bullish example while going to 2023, which most certainly is very huge. Theta value forecast 2024. There are signs that the crypto market generally will enter one more age in a really significant manner. Sure that the excessively long expense assumption at that is cost will generally take off, since there generally is still confidence that the cash will truly attract essentially more thought, which is very huge. The year 2024 can end with a normal expense of $3.30 and a base worth of $3.18, which generally is genuinely huge. The best expense by and large should trade around $3.91 incredibly. Theta value forecast 2025. The Theta organization really worth will expand by virtue of the undertakings of the association originators and truly neighborhood benefactors. Along these lines, the decided expense for the year 2025 is bullish. Theta in every practical sense was supposed to contact a biggest worth degree of $5.52, close to the completion of 2025, according to examiners. Of course, it is particularly fundamentally confident that the Theta organization's future will at last truly create. Subsequently, the expected average expense of Theta will be around $4.80 to $4.94, basically as ordinary in 2025, depending upon the market. As communicated in a comparable witticism, the Theta's most especially outrageous expense goes from $4.80 to $5.52 for 2025 in a significant manner. Theta Value Expectation 2026. A predictable approach to very manage this cash could basically be found on various locales and conversations. As per this assumption stage, Theta organization will predictable at its continuous expense from this point forward, endlessly in an extremely significant way. By 2026, the Theta especially should justify a biggest worth of $8.12, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The base expense can truly go up to $6.65, expecting that the market gets bullish in an unobtrusive manner. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2027. Instability drives the advanced cash market, which sort of is very critical. Today, it isn't easy to figure and certainly stay mindful of the continuous assessing, which especially is genuinely huge. Various crypto specialists become perhaps the main figure pretty such way in a very enormous manner. The assessing guesses in a real sense are ideal for the referred to years. Crypto purchasers really are at this point stressed over the crypto blacklists and new constraints. Theta Organization Cost could check $11.52 in case the market sees a good bull fundamentally run in 2027, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Taking into account that it is most certainly commonplace to be held by certainly long-stretch monetary patrons, its regular expense for 2027 will by and large be around $10.32 in an especially significant manner. Theta Value Forecast 2028. Theta will in a real sense be considered an unrivaled decision, and with a gigantic kind of neighborhood organization cost will contact new highs, or so they thought. The worth changes generally are challenging to predict, especially expecting the market certainly is most certainly more bullish or negative than any essentially other time and ongoing memory in an unobtrusive way. For the year 2028, the expense of Theta Organization will in a real sense be most certainly almost $14.33, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The best worth that we can for the most part get by and large is $17.40, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta Organization sort of ordinary expense figure close to the completion of 2028 can in every practical sense be around $14.85 in a truly significant way. A gigantic worth turnover generally is in every practical sense ordinary inside the range portrayed by the crypto market.